Viewers, we are aware of the unfortunate situation surrounding the grade 3 4 parts primary school teacher NATALIE Dawkins, whose body was found in a shallow grave in the Sandy Bay area of Clarendon recently. Her disappearance, the search to find her, and the unfortunate discovery of her decomposing body led to national outcry, and also further highlighted the fact that many crimes that are being committed in the country are being committed by young men between the ages of 16 to 25. It was revealed by the police that Robert Fowler, in his confession, said that he killed Canis Jackson, left her body in his house, went to work, and returned home, then disposed of the body. I mean, that was gruesome. And we're also seeing now where these boys gave Miss NATALIE Dawkins no chance of survival. News emerged on Tuesday, April 13, that 2 men had been charged in relation to Miss Dawkins' disappearance and subsequent death. They are 20-year-old Eladio Goldburn and 19-year-old Mario Edley of Sandy Bay and Palmer's Cross in Clarendon, respectively. So coming out of their investigation and the men subsequently confessing to their crimes, the police have revealed that on Tuesday the 30th of March about 10:45 p.m, Goldburn and Headley along with their 20-year-old crony Jeff Bedward, who was shot and killed by the police in a shootout in Bellas Gate, lured Miss Dawkins outside by triggering her car alarm. When she went out to check on the car, they held her at gunpoint, forced her back into her house, and proceeded to rob her of 2 television sets, a laptop, a tablet, a cell phone, and her handbag. The men then forced her back outside, placed her inside the car, and left. They then took her to a secluded area, presumably in Sandy Bay where her body was discovered, assaulted her, then killed her. There is a little bit of grey area in relation to the assault. I am wondering if it is sexual assault, because one of the charges that has been laid against the men is assault with intent to rape. So I am not certain if she was actually raped or there was an attempt to rape her based on what the police have released in their statement. So I'm not sure. No, they apparently threw her bag from the car as they made their way to wherever they were going, as the bag was found by police along the Spanish Town leg of Highway 2000. The police then recovered her car on Saturday the 3rd of April in Bellas Gate after there was a shootout with the police, Jeff Bedward, and his crony or cronies. So Goldburn and Headley, after being arrested, confessed to the murders on the 9th and 10th of April respectively in the presence of a justice of the peace. NATALIE's ATM card was also found in the possession of Goldburn. It was also reported that the men drew $60,000 from Miss Dawkins' bank account using her ATM card. So the 2 men, Goldburn and Headley, have been jointly charged with abduction, murder, burglary, illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition, and assault with the intent to rape. I've been referring to them as men because the laws of Jamaica say that you're an adult when you become 18. But these boys, 19, 20, and Jeff Bedward, 20, they gave Miss Dawkins no chance of survival by the look of the thing. They robbed her of her car, her computer, her tablet, her cell phone, her handbag, her money, possibly her dignity, because I am not sure if she has been raped, as it charges assault with the intent to rape, and ultimately of her life. These are 3 boys, 3 men who are of no benefit to the country, and they have taken the life of a productive member of the society who has been trying to develop the young men and women of this nation academically and in a holistic way. Jaja.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!